Welcome to this relaxing session. Today, take a walk through a gorgeous meadow, bringing you deep relaxation, allowing for you to have a complete peace of mind, opening up to the power of forgiveness. Make sure you will not be disturbed during your tranquil meadow walk. So take a nice deep breath in, and as you exhale, allow your eyes to gently close. Breathing in fully, imagine that you can inhale relaxation, and as you exhale, send the relaxation through your entire body. Breathe in, breathe out, feeling calm and peaceful. On the next breath in, bring into your mind the thought of a beautiful, lush green meadow. You are standing in the middle of this wide meadow, which is surrounded by majestic mountains in the distance. The sky is crisp blue, with lovely white fluffy clouds scattered through the air. There is a slight breeze caressing your skin and hair. You can feel the softness of the green grass under your feet, making you feel safe and completely at ease. Breathe in the fresh air. Breathe out and relax even deeper. You find an inviting pathway through the lush grass made of smooth soil, so you go down this trail. Noticing the beauty that is all around you. As you walk, the gentleness of the path allows you to feel supported and comfortable, naturally being guided along. There is no need for thoughts or worries here in this meadow. You are simply enjoying yourself to the fullest. The sound of a gentle brook catches your ears. The path guided you to a gorgeous small river with crystal clear water. Listen to the soothing, trickling water and let it relax you even more. This is the most beautiful stream you have ever seen. The water is reflecting the sunlight, making the surface glitter. The gentle brook represents your memories. Take a seat by this gentle brook and breathe in deeply again, noticing the lovely nature all around you. Listen to the sound of the water, the tender wind. Some beautiful birds fly overhead, chirping their sweet song. You notice the time floating by in your memories where someone did something to you that you haven't forgotten or forgiven. But when you look at that beauty of the stream, you simply let this memory float by, effortlessly forgiving everything that happened, letting it drift away forever. You are ready to walk back down the path the way you came. So take another look at this gentle brook, remembering the way the water shimmers forever. As you make your way back to the center of the meadow, the sound of moving water gets faint until you can no longer hear it. The pleasant feeling of the path under your feet is nurturing your soul. Walk slowly and notice the bright green grass moving in the wind. Breathing in and out. This meadow is tender and soothing. Notice the turquoise heavens, resembling a suspended ocean in the sky. Watch the clouds passing by. The sun is deeply comforting, kissing your skin. Embrace the aroma of the clean air. Breathe in and out. Whenever you are ready, allow the gorgeous image of the meadow to fade, coming back to the present moment. Gently open your eyes, forever remembering the gentle brook on your meadow walk. Thank you.